forecast was 126K. Then result came out 139. We have average hour earning that came out above what was forecast. The only one that came neutral is supplement rate. So I think this result is good for USD. I think let's hope that it can give the USD some relief, maybe some, but so far so good. We are still much totally bearish on dollar index. So dollar index is still bearish, and that is our focus until it prove otherwise. So you can see we are still most bearish. For me, I still see this place, like I said that this place, I'm still seeing price coming to take this liquidity. So there's nothing much as even beyond the NFP. The NFP always give a little good results on Friday. So you can see, so this is the effect of the NFP. But today now we can see that our dollar is coming down seriously. This on Monday morning. So it's coming down seriously this on Monday morning. But let's see. I'm still hoping that some upside later because he has given. So now on the 1 hour, you can see some development. So I'm still hoping a kind of maybe let's see later, maybe today or tomorrow, kind of bullish return on this guy. So we have this price change. Then let's see. So, but the overall is that this guy is still bearish. It's still so bearish. It's still bearish. It's still bearish. We cannot call this one liquidity sweep yet until we see price. So we can't hope if this will be a liquidity sweep until if you see price close above this high, then we can say, okay, maybe this will be liquidity. So in a nutshell, DSY is still much bearish. We are still in a bearish. If we look at from daily, you can see we are still below this psychological 100 zone. And yes, it drawn liquidity. So we are still far bearish on DSY. So the NFPs do not have a very strong effect on dollar. So let's see, this morning now, so we have this bullish candle that engulfed that previous bearish candle. So maybe what's happening now is just a pullback by New York now. This red candle may turn to what? A bullish candle. So we just see, but irrespective of what is happening in this zone, as long as we are still below this 100, then we are still bearish. The only way we can turn to, maybe this guy can turn to bullish is where the day we have price close, price is trading above this place, it's giving us a higher high formation, then that's when we can say, okay, we are breaking structure, then we are bullish. But for now, the price kind of ranging in these zones and in a bearish mode. So if bearish price is bearish, so what do we do on that currency? We're going to do bullish or GU. So GU, I have tracked this guy zone by zones. So I've tracked this guy zone by zones, right? So, by weekend, I do some overview of the market and see. So DSY now, GU, we are bullish on GU. Last week, we have this price give us a liquidity sweep above this high. So when you see a major high and you see price sweep this high, that is called a liquidity sweep. So that has been done. Though I try immediately after the NFP, I sold there. I think I sold this leg. I was watching I was watching the result of the NFP, immediately came as a positive, and I see some lower time frame entry. So I sold to these zones. So what we can see so far is that we can see what price is doing. We can see what price is doing. Price tests this load and then it's bouncing. So DSY GU is still in bullish. Our love as my overall bias on this is still remain to bullish. Our love to buy from this zone. If price come here, this is another zone for us that we can look for buy. So you can see that is a very good zone to look for buy. Then if we have price break, then this place is another good zone to look for buy. And that is why I just trap it as zone by zone. So zone by zone for now. So now, as far as we are still concerned, this guy is still much bullish. Now, price is heading to this high, right? If we have price close, we want to see a daily close above this zone. Maybe by the end of today, if price successfully close, any day or this week, price will close. You know, this one did not close. This one was a week. So if we have a daily close above here, so here will become a support. Then we can. So that will give us a higher price. So that is the reason why I just trap it on this zone by zone resistance and support. So we are looking for price breakout, then we'll continue bullish, or price come here, set to this place. If this place holds, we'll look for a buy. You can see how this all these touches. Now, price is so in a kind of a rangy square. So let's see. Failure to break. I have low price to trade to this zone. So let's look possibility of what may happen in a smaller time frame. So now, from 1 hour perspective, we can see we have a clear break of structure for 1 hour. So I'm analyzing in case we see a sell opportunity. It's a kind of a counter trade, a sell opportunity. So we have a break of structure above here. It's a value break of structure because we have Y. We have this a break of structure here. Then we have a change in 1 hour. So currently price is coming to these zones. The reason why I have problem with this kind of movement that there's no imbalances, here. So let's see, shall we begin to see price weakness? Then that can be what? An opportunity to what? To short. If price fail to close above this red zone. So that is what I'm looking at. But for the week, because since this is a weekly review, we are more bullish on GU. We are bullish on GU. With price come to this zone, it will be a good place. We are still looking for a buy. So whether we buy here or price breakout, make place is a support, then we look for a buy around this zone. So that is GU. Let me talk about gold. You can see gold. The where I predicted that gold would come last week, and that's where it landed. Who know that? Who remember when I was pointing out this gap here? When I draw a head and shoulder here, then I said this gap will be filled up. What do you see now? The price feed it, yes. You see, immediately if I cover that gap, then we have a bounce. So this is a very good ride. I think when I wake up around 3 a.m., 3 a.m., immediately I saw at least I have entry here. So I just woke up 3 a.m. I saw that, okay, price has covered it. And I saw this, immediately this bullish candle close. Then I know that they tends to push up. So I get a buy here. I think currently it's giving over 100 pips on that buy. So let me see how this guy can go. But for 1 hour, we are still bearish. Here we have a change of character from 1 hour. So let's now look it from higher time frame. Likewise, this I have zoned it zone by zones. So we have price from daily. So now these are daily look. This is a double top high. So price weak out this place on daily, fail to close, price pull down, came back again, pull down, tested this fair value gap, pull up, price came back again, test this place, go up. So this place become a strong support zone. And we have all-time highs, so another zone is here. So now that we know that, okay, this guy is more of bullish. So the reason why I zone it like this is whenever price comes to all these zones, it's be our opportunity to go long. So we just want to look for a long opportunity from all these zones. So any day price decided to break off here, then this figure will continue to what? That will continue for bullish leg. So now for today, since you could not get entry here, then for now, this equation is somehow why, because we have a kind of uh a kind of uh change in market structure here, right? Then we have this imbalance at price. We have this big imbalance. You can see how price is testing that imbalance for now. So we have that imbalance. So for now, and so let's drop to 1 hour. So if price may tap into this imbalance, then collapse down. So that's why you cannot don't even attempt to buy from this. It's too high for to buy. This is an better opportunity to go long, but it happened in the midnight. So for now, don't jump enter this buy because we are closing to where a kind of a zone that price can collapse. Like person like me now, I already moved break even trade stop loss to this place. So if you like, you come down, I'll just out of the trade. Anything that make it below this trade below this doji candle here, I'm out of that trade. So whatever I have, I will collect it and wait. So let's see reaction of price. We are bearish on 1 hour from total for smaller time frame pattern. We are bearish, and this zone may be where price will collapse down. So the only way that, okay, maybe you can resume bullish. Let's say we have this high here. So let's track this high. Then when you have price, if consistently close above this high, then you can bullish to this, maybe to this high here. So if you want to join the buy, Keynes is buying, wait for price to close above this a demand, a supply zone here. Then a close daily 1 hour candle close above this high. Then we open maybe this high or this high. So that is what we will see on gold. USD card. So USD card 4 hours. So USD card, 1 hour for 4 hours. So we are still bearish on USD card. We are still bearish on USD card. So I'm looking for a buy, a sell opportunity around this zone. This guy will be a liquidity for price. That zone, though this zone break structure, right? But I'm seeing, after this leg, so this is our high. This is our high now, this is our low. Then we have price. So I'm seeing this guy as a liquidity for price, right? I'm seeing that as a liquidity for price. So what we'll be patiently wait is price to purge out this place and it trade into this imbalance or this supply zone. So this is what I'm looking at on USD card for the course of this week. So I'll be patiently wait for that sell to come. No, sometimes you may not get trade on Monday, you not get trade on Tuesday, but you may get trade on Wednesday or on Thursday, and it'll give you what you need for the week. What you need for the week is, yes, 2%, 2% or 3% of your account weekly. That is good. So just like last week, last week I had not trade in either Thursday or Friday, and we have GJ and UJ. That is only 2 trades and give a massive outcome for last week. So patience is required. You just wait this guy to trade above this place and look for a sell opportunity. So on USD card, we'll be looking for a sell opportunity as price traded to a premium zone. So this is our high now. This is what we are our range. This high and this low. So this high and this low. So this high and this low is our range. So that is it. So this is the range we are trading with now on 4 hours, right? So we're looking for a sell opportunity this week at price traded up. So we look for a sell. So let's look at, so we have covered gold, so euro and GBP, they move in the same direction. So whatever G is doing, euro is doing it because all of that is controlled by DXY. So the same thing is happening on euro USD. Today is Monday. We currently price is in a strong supply zone or resistance zone. We see how price weak out that zone last week and close, and now we have a sell-off during what is it called, NFP. But this morning now, this demand is in play. Demand is in play. We had that how demand push price up. So we can't really know what price is doing, but all these guys still remain what? Bullish. If a price come down here, this is another zone a proper zone to look for a buy on this guy. That is zone 1 for a buy. And this is zone 2 to also go long on this guy. So these are my zones. And that's why I marked them out already. Where is zones where whenever price come here, they are very strong zone. You can see all these touches, our price. We have this low, price break, retest, came down, retest, break, price breakout, retest. So we can see that these zones now is a very strong zone that we could get a buy to push up. And if it fail, it's another zone. So that is the buy side for Euro USD. It's much, so we are much in buying than to sell. But in case we want to look for maybe a sell opportunity, then we need price. Sorry. So we need price to do what? To close, maybe to trade below this trend line, maybe price close there. That can give us what? It's set to this place and anything break there. So this is the sell side. So this is sell side for Euro USD. This is sell side for Euro USD. It will give us a clear direction. All this place that what? They are demand. So we need to see price close below that demand, like this. Then, so once that demand is clear, then you can look for a sell, maybe to all this zone. And if this one breaks, then so that's for the sell side. So I've talked about the buying side and the sell side. But if price break above this red zone, maybe a break like this, then guys, they will continue a higher price to buy Euro USD. So this is what we shall be looking at this week to look for opportunity to go long on these guys. So UJ, I'm still in my buying, though I took this thing last week. So now I'm crawling out of this trade. It was a very nice ride from this. This is my target, right? This is my target, and because I draw, this was about 200 pips from last week. Now, I have marked this green zone where that is also a zone that I'm looking to set for buy for USD JPY. Why? I can see we have eternal structure break. This was the high that created this low. Then we have price break that high. Now, there's no imbalance. There's no fair value gap. Everything is balanced. So in this case, when you have price balance, that is where this thing will now work. Your discount and premium. So it will be good as price enter into this discount. So we can look for what? Opportunity to go long again on this discount. Right? So we patient. The reason why I've marked this zone because of we have this low, we have this high. So all these places are anything here, anything from discount, we should look for what? Opportunity to go long, and this is the target. So that is for UJ. The pullback is very good. It will help us to get long on this guy. So you can see that on 2 hours also, we have a clear shift in market structure. Yeah, good. Okay. So I'm seeing something, this tiny demand with this tiny imbalance that in my indicator printouts. So maybe that zone. But when you get to that zone, I will not do a buy. I want to see a candle formation that close. Maybe from 1 hour, I see a bullish engulfing candle or open bar around here. So now we take it up. So hope that is clear, right? So that is UJ. So we are waiting. My prediction for UJ to come to display this week. So please don't miss out. Mark all those zones, mark them on your own chart and point it out so you can get access. GJ, what's happening on GJ? I nearly hit. That guy can see. GJ, see. So GJ, are we done by GJ? No. We are not done. We are not done. So see, I have all these equal eyes here. We have this worker. So we have more upside for GJ. So we'll continue what? Looking for buy opportunity on GJ. Now, let me delete. GJ gave me a lot of money last week. So let's reprice GJ now. Draw to smaller time frame. So GJ, where can we get in on GJ? I think I have this demand area here. So I will see what price is doing. Now, this low here, it may be a liquidity. So I will not just sell anything. This low here may be a liquidity for price because price has not given me any kind of liquidity for now. So this low might be. So if I see price liquidate this low, then rejected back. So this can be another push for GJ. That is one scenario that price liquidate this low. And if price doesn't create that like this, then so on GJ, that is GJ. So I'm still more bullish on GJ. Still more bullish on GJ. So that's my take. I love what price is doing now. Make it simple, guys. Price is creating a kind of liquidity. So maybe push up, then collapse. If price push up, collapse, here will become a liquidity for price. Then we can have price going on. So we can have price push up in that manner. It's touch water for you. So that is it. So we are still bullish on GJ. All right, which one I have not covered? Okay, AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. So this guy also bullish, but we cannot get in now. We need a good price to go long this guy. Anything break, let me go to daily time frame. So we see price close above this place on daily basis. So then what do? We go long. That's first scenario. The second one is allow price to come to this other block. Then we do what? We go long back. So these are the first two things. But any day we now see price close, then we go short. Simple as this. Simple as this. Just make trade simple. Simple as this. No complication at all. No room for complication at all. Just get a clear direction. It should save you enough money. I don't want to sell this guy. Even from there, I don't want to sell anything here because I don't like this. This one is creating, you can see, higher high, lower high. It's creating. So this type of movement, the tendencies of breaking higher is very, very high. We just break up, retest, continue. So don't look for a sell, look for a buy. Even NZD USD, you can see this one. So this one now, you can see how this one now. So we just need a daily close. All these places, there's no time price close with daily candle here. So price is not. So if we see today, if you have this daily candle close very bullish, so that is a good news for the bull. Then retest of it, then we can go long. So we have we have this place at least to buy to. So these are very clear directions that price has given us. So USD Chef, the same. Yeah, the trade is just somehow. So let's leave this guy. There's no trade there. So the gold, that's what gold is doing. Gold is still pushing, I think, just still doing thing. So somebody said he needs to about 99, right? So let me quickly help you. So guys, these are no Monday. We just want to see market directions. So these are the market directions we have mapped out for this week. So all we need to do now is today's Monday. Let's see where they are pushing market to. So when we see the direction where they are pushing the market to, then from tomorrow, we'll now begin to position ourselves for trade opportunity. So V99, somebody asked on V99 daily. Wow, this guy is so bearish. So weekly, ooh, very, very much bearish. So volat, this guy is much more seriously bearish. So what does that mean? Just look for opportunity to sell. Continue selling it until it prove otherwise. This volat 99, the guy is, so you can see now that all you need to do is look for a sell. Look for a sell, but just be patient. Make sure price did not close above this place. Price close above here, then you can have price push up before the proper sell. So now what do you do? Just zoom this 15 minutes. Okay, allow price to close back below here. So just allow price to trade below this zone. Then from this zone, you can look for a sell. The stop loss will be above here. Then you sell whatever you want to sell. So it's bearish. V99 is bearish. So let me see 20. Let me do 1 or 2. Daily. Well, this one, is forming a strong zone, daily zone. So what do you mean? Allow price to close above that zone, then you look for a buy opportunity. So price currently, I'm seeing price breaking up. So if price break up, then retest you buy, or allow price to come to this zone, then you buy from there. All right, thank you. So just follow market directions, and then maybe from tomorrow, we'll see what price has for us, and then we can take on there. Sorry for delay today. Thank you. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.